Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out of the DeepSeek app right from your phone. If you are done using the app or just want to switch accounts, I have got you covered. Let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open the DeepSeek app. Make sure you are logged into the account. Once you are in the app, you will want to find the settings or profile section. You'll find this right at the top left corner. Tap on it and tap on your profile icon at the very bottom right here. Here you will be seeing many options. Simply tap on log out and tap log out again. And just like that, you are logged out of DeepSeek on your phone. The app will take you back to the login screen and you are all set. And that's it. Logging out of DeepSeek is super easy and now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.